everyone, my name is Taran and I'm making an unboxing video. I got this extra shotgun from Tyrus and it's very cool and it's very strong and it can shoot everything. I have got 16 guns and I have got 16 bullets and 1 gun. And I'll show you how to put the bullets in the gun. It will not harm you. It's only a gun and 16 bullets. First cut, now I will load it to the second cut. Need to do this one, then sit to the house. Oh my God.